Now this video will focus on making rendering for an interior view, but for nighttime, not daytime. So nighttime. When we say nighttime, we mean we will need lighting fixture, so artificial light, and also kind of light coming from the moon or from the sky, they can be added to the scene. So actually this process is very similar to daytime rendering. So what we have to do, always from view we go to rendering, so or render this one. And now I will select this to medium, printer or screen. I will make it printer, and I will select 300 dot per inch. And now it's saying here lighting scheme, interior, sun and artificial. Is it good? Yes, sun and artificial. Now this one is very important, so I have to select sun setting, and I have to make the time now is at night, so like 11 p.m. at night. It's good time. We should not change anything, the other ones no problem. So I will press OK. Cloud style, so basically no cloud or very few clouds, so we keep it very few clouds. Now this adjust exposure, we will need this when we finish the rendering, not now. Alright, so what we do now, so I will click on render. So of course when we click on render we have to wait. We will see the percentage box of the progress, and as you can see there is 5 levels, so we have to wait. Already we can see some of the rendering results. Of course this will depend on the lighting fixture that you used, so be careful on what type of lighting fixture. If the rendering is not okay, you may need to change the lighting fixture. You may need to use this kind of lighting fixture. The materials of course should be assigned to each element of the building. Walls, floors, as you can see these floors, they have material with the reflection. Alright, so when we finish the rendering, so when it reaches 100%, as you can see the results looks very nice and cool. So we can perceive that it's kind of the night scene. So basically it's 11 p.m. but Boston time. So now again we have to save to the project, so we have to click save and we make a title. So basically we can write something like night scene, so it depends on which view. So night rendering for what, for living room, let's say living room. You have to make sure it is it correct or not, so you have to write the title here anyway. And after pressing OK, now basically we can adjust, actually we can adjust to the brightness, and we apply and see, so it can make it looks like we increase the exposure like this way. So I think it looks nice also, even the exposure is high but it looks nice. So now you can of course play with these parameters and apply and see if it looks interesting or not. Press OK. I will save it again, and I will give it a name as I mentioned, and I click OK, and I can show the model, can show the rendering. So the difference between rendering and model, huge difference as you can see. And of course since we save it, so basically I think it's this one, I didn't name it, so it's here, and it's a picture, which means I can take it and put it in one sheet from the 6 ones that I asked for. So I advise you always to check your project brief. So here I explained in the project brief how you should uh, put this drawings on the sheet, either for the interior or for the exterior. So you are required again to submit for assigned 3 6 sheets which contain 3 exterior views and 3 interior views. Within the 3 exterior views, one is night and two daytime. Same thing applied for interior views. I think this is all for rendering. So I wish you good luck.